What's up, fellow wizards? In this video, we're going to build up another LEGO Animal Crossing set. This one's new for summer of 2025. It's called Goldie's Cozy House. It's numbered 77058 and it comes with 149 pieces. Alright, let's open it up. Oh wow. And the box is now open. And whoa, there's 3 bags in this set. Now, before we begin building, I just want to let you know that you should subscribe to my channel. It really helps out a ton and I truly appreciate it. Oh yeah, you can also hit that bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Alright, let's get to building. And we are done with the entire set. Okay, so this set, of course, has Goldie inside of it, because why not? Alright, we've got ourselves a little picnic table right here. Let's see, we can have her sit right here. And then we got ourselves some pear and a croissant and a cup of coffee, I think. Alright, let's go see what's inside her house. Oh cool, we got ourselves a bit of wall decor. And of course she has a bed, which means somewhere for her to sleep in. Doesn't quite fit inside though. And of course, she can sit right here as well to play her piano. Isn't that cute? Let's throw her out of the house a little bit. And here we've got ourselves a little mailbox and a rock containing a snail. And yep, that's pretty much it. And that's a wrap for this Lego set. Just look at how gorgeous it is. And here are the extra pieces left from the entire set. If you found this video enjoyable, go ahead and smash those like and subscribe buttons. Oh yeah, you can also hit that bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Anyway, thanks for watching, and always remember, stay calm, stay strong, stay safe. And bye for now.